A 90 Hz display, 5,000 milliamp hour battery, 50 megapixel camera, and borderless 5G. Fully unlocked. Work with 3 carriers: Verizon, AT&T, T-Mobile. Real 5G from north to south, no dead zones. Seamless traveling from north to south for around $199.99. Sounds too good to be true, right? Let's find out whether the NUU X10 5G lives up to the hype. Hello everyone! Today we're going to take a look at the NUU X10 5G smartphone. Some of the key specifications are listed on the back of the box. It features a 6.75-inch HD Plus display, a 2.2 GHz octa-core processor, a 50 megapixel plus 2 megapixel dual rear camera setup, and an 8 megapixel front camera. This is the 4 GB RAM plus 128 GB storage variant, and it packs a 5,000 mAh lithium-ion battery. So, let's start by unboxing it. You simply slide the box open. Inside, we get 2 accessory packets. Let's open the first one. Here we have a high-quality screen protector, which is a nice addition. We also get a silicone protective case, and it actually looks quite good. Let's set those aside. Now, let's take out the main phone. Here's the phone itself. Inside the box, we also get a few documents, including a Verizon SIM-supported card, a thank you card, some stickers, a quick start guide, and a SIM ejector tool. Underneath, we find the charger and charging cable. NUU includes a 15-watt fast charger in the box, along with a USB-A to USB-C cable. And that's everything included in the package. Now let's take a closer look at the phone itself. The phone feels surprisingly lightweight, making it comfortable to hold. It has a matte finished back panel, which gives it a premium appearance, and the camera bump also looks clean and stylish. This is the black color variant. Let's remove the protective film. After removing it, the phone looks even better. The front glass feels solid, and at the top there's an earpiece speaker grill. Moving to the bottom, we have a USB Type-C charging port, a 3.5mm headphone jack, the main speaker, and the primary microphone. On the left side, you'll find the SIM tray. On the right side, there are the volume rocker and the power button. At the top, there's another microphone, and the front features a punch-hole selfie camera. Now, let's power it on. Let's begin with the design and build quality. There's a slight camera bump on the back, along with the NUU branding. The back panel is made of plastic, while the middle frame has a metallic finish, giving it a more premium feel. On the front, there's a large 6.8-inch display with slim bezels around the edges and a centered punch-hole camera. Overall, the design looks clean and modern. The display is bright and supports a 90 Hz refresh rate, making scrolling and navigation feel smooth. Considering this is an entry-level smartphone priced at around $199.99, the display quality is actually impressive. With brightness set to maximum, the screen looks vibrant and easy to view. The corners are nicely rounded, making the phone more comfortable to hold for long periods. Unlike boxy designs, the rounded edges don't dig into your hand. Although the phone is a little wide, it's still possible to use it comfortably with one hand. Overall, the design and ergonomics are quite good. Now let's test the multimedia experience. First, let's check the speakers. Since the phone uses a stereo speaker setup, audio comes from both ends, producing a surprisingly loud and immersive sound. For an entry-level device, the speaker quality is definitely respectable. Next, let's check the video playback quality. Although the display supports 90 Hz, YouTube playback is available up to 1440p at 60 frames per second. The display looks colorful and vivid, which is impressive considering the price. Touch response is also quick and responsive, matching what you'd expect from a 90 Hz display. Now let's test the cameras. The camera app includes several different shooting modes. For a budget phone, the camera performance is actually better than expected. I just took a photo of this ball, and the image turned out surprisingly nice. Here's another sample photo. The colors are slightly faded, but overall, the quality is perfectly usable for everyday photography. There's also a night mode, making low-light photography much more convenient. Here's another photo I captured inside the studio. Again, for an entry-level smartphone, the results are quite decent. When it comes to video recording, the phone supports recording at up to 2K resolution, which is a nice bonus at this price point. Finally, let's test the performance. We'll play a game to see how the phone handles gaming. Gaming performance is actually quite good for a budget device. It's an FPS game, and I'm playing with the higher frame rate enabled. As you can see, there's very little lag and almost no noticeable input delay. The gameplay feels fast and responsive. Even during intense gunfights, the phone performs surprisingly well. As you can see, the overall gaming experience is smooth and enjoyable. So that's everything about the NUU X10 5G. Considering its affordable price, it offers a good display, a large battery, decent cameras, smooth everyday performance, and surprisingly capable gaming performance, making it a solid option for anyone looking for an entry-level 5G smartphone. Overall, the NUU X10 5G delivers solid value for its price. You get a smooth 90Hz display, reliable everyday performance, a long-lasting 5000 mAh battery, stereo speakers, decent cameras, and surprisingly good gaming performance for an entry-level device. While it's not built for heavy multitasking or flagship-level photography, it handles daily use with ease. If you're looking for an affordable 5G smartphone on a budget, the NUU X10 5G is definitely worth considering. The original price of this mobile phone is $219.99. Currently, there is a 10% discount going on if you check out the link in description with the exclusive promo code. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss our latest tech reviews and comparisons. If you have any questions about the NUU X10 5G, leave them in the comments below and I'll be happy to answer them. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.